Friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to talk about a new thing, which is how you will be able to access your computer system with the help of any other computer system, or how you will be able to access a switch and router with the help of your computer system or end devices, say PC or laptop. This will be a networking video that you will be able to see that how we are configuring network devices. So hope that it will be a very great video for you. Come on, let's move into the video and see how that we can do so. Come on. So let's start. So what we will do here, first we will be opening this packet tracer here. I have this packet tracer installed in my computer system and will be doing all those things in the packet tracer. Why do you know that? Do you know that why I'm doing like that? Because you will be able to see how this computer system works and how the networking works. So I have used one PC and another PC I will take here. Then what I'll do, I'll just take one switch here and I'll connect that switch here. Then I'll take one router, and after taking that router, this is a Cisco 2901 router. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just configure these devices. So take this cable and just connect it. Again take one cable, connect it. Again take one cable and connect it. So it has been connected. Okay. Oh, where has it gone? Oh, it's here. Come on. Now let's give the IP address here. First of all, I open my router and just click enter. No, enter. Start. Type enable. Then configure terminal. And after moving into the console terminal, you have to assign the IP address here on the interface, which is gigabit 0/0. This gigabit interface, because your PC will send a packet from here, and this packet will be going to this router with the help of this particular interface, fast Ethernet 0/3, and fast Ethernet 0/3 has been connected with gigabit 0/0. Okay, so just I'll type an IP address here with the help of this following command: interface gigabit 0/0, enter IP space ADDR, and then just give the IP address. So in my case, I'll give an IP address of class C, which will be 192.168.0.100, and then the subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, and then just no shutdown, no SH, and the port has been up. You can see here the port is up. Okay, I'll just click WR and write the configuration here and just exit the terminal. Now what I'll do, I'll just assign one IP address on the PC here, 192.168.1. Sorry, it will be 0, because I have assigned the 0 network on the router, so I also have to assign the 0 network on the PC also. So 0 dot, say it will be 1. Okay, and just give the IP address here, 192.168. It will be the default gateway, will be same as the default gateway which has I have assigned the IP on the interface of gigabit 0/0. That will be the default gateway. Okay, so just give here dot 0 dot 0 dot 100, and what I'll do after this, I have to assign one more IP address on this computer, so that both the computers will be able to communicate with that router with the help of telnet command. So just see how I'm doing. 192.168.0.2. Okay, let's copy this, tab, oh shit, what is this, control B, 192.168.0.2, tab, then 192.168.0.100. Okay, clear. So let's see if the router is pinging with this PC. Just open this PC or open the router and enter enable, then ping PING space 192.168.0.1. Yes, it's pinging. Success rate is 80%. 4 of 5. It has been pinging. Okay, just exit from here. Oh no, what I have typed. Shit. Exit. Now what I'll do, I'll just configure this router with telnet. Configure terminal, and then what I'll do, oh shit, what I have typed, CONFT, configure terminal. Now maybe it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. After this, what I have to type, I'll have to configure here line console. Zero. Then login local, just log in local, then exit from this interface, and here I will type username and password, user, what I am doing, username admin, password, what is this, password 0000, enter, Ctrl Z, WR. Right, configuration has been built successfully. Very nice. Now let's see, is my PC is pinging with my router or not. If it is not pinging, then there must be some mistake. So just open this and type here telnet 192.168.0.100 closed by foreign host. There must be some issue. Have to check here what issue. Okay, so we have to configure the line console, huh? Configure terminal. What the hell? What I'm typing here, Control C. CONFT control. Oh, CONFT. Configure terminal. Now what I'll do, I'll type line VTY 024. Okay. And here what I'll type is, I'll type here trans input telnet, enter, password, okay, Ctrl Z, WR. Maybe this time it will work. Just open this and type here again the same command. Yes, it's asking for the password. And what is the password? 1 2 3 4. Enable. So I have to set the username and password here also, which is the login password, CONFT. So here you can see I have to set an enable password, enable PASS password. What should be my enable password? I have to search for that, and I'll keep that 1111. Sorry, 111. Control Z, WR. Control Shift 6, WR. Right. Okay, building the configuration. Now I'll try to access this from here. Type telnet 192.168.0.100. Okay. Password 0000. Enter. Enable password 1111, enter. Wow, I can access the router with my only with the help of your end device, which is PC. Show starter config. Yeah, I can access my router. Oh, I can do anything here. So I have access, bro. Hope so that you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.